The first thing that I noticed in Florence was the architecture. Everywhere I look is just so beautiful. It is not the kind that feels like it was designed for social media, but the kind that has already existed for generations. The stone buildings, the narrow streets, the elegant windows, and the details carved into walls that most people probably walk past without noticing. It felt like history wasn't locked away inside museums, it was all around me.
Round and around to give it flour everywhere. Don't press it so much. Just give it
One
flour.
thing that I did while I was in Florence was the pasta making class. There was something satisfying about starting with the simple ingredients and turning them into something meaningful. Watching the dough slowly take shape reminded me that some of the best things in life aren't rushed. Every fold, every cut, every small step in the process mattered. And maybe that's one of the reasons Italian food is so special. It's not just about the final dish, it's about the care that goes into making it. After the class, we shared the food that we made together. As I walked through the city again, I found myself constantly looking up. Above the crowds, above the busy streets, because every direction seemed to lead my eyes towards something remarkable. And then there was the Duomo. The scale of it was overwhelming, its dome rising above the city. Its intricate facade covered in details that seemed impossible to fully take in. The closer I got, the more impressive it became. The churches throughout the city also felt different. Some were grand and imposing, others were quiet and almost hidden. One of the favorite views I was not expecting to find was a street musician performing for a handful of strangers. One of my favorite parts of Florence wasn't actually a specific landmark. It was simply walking, crossing small streets, turning random corners, following wherever my curiosity led me. As the day went on, I found myself drawn toward the Arno River. There was something peaceful about being near the water, watching the reflections of the buildings dance across the surface, watching people pause on bridges to admire the view. Now I'm just enjoying the atmosphere. But Florence isn't just a city of beautiful views. It is also a city that gave the world some of its greatest artists. And that eventually led me to one of the experiences I had been looking forward to most, seeing Michelangelo's David. Before arriving in Florence, I had seen photographs of the statue countless times. But standing in front of it in person was something completely different. The first thing that struck me was the size of it. Photographs never truly capture how massive it is. Seeing David reminded me why Florence became the heart of Renaissance. Because everywhere you go, you're surrounded by evidence of what human creativity can achieve. As the sun slowly began to set, the city transformed. Golden light spilled across the rooftops. The Duomo remained visible against the fading light. And for a few moments, Florence looked exactly the way people imagine it when they dream about Italy. As I made my way back through the city, I found myself returning once again to the main square. As the music drifted through the night air, I stood there looking out over Florence one last time. As I walked away that night, I wasn't just living a city, I was living a feeling, one that I hope to experience again someday.